Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create Blum Tribe, that is how to join Blum. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to Telegram on your mobile phone. Now click on the search icon at the top right corner. After clicking on search, type in Blum. Now click on the first option that says Blum. Now you will see this page. On this page, click on the start button at the bottom. Now click on launch Blum. This is going to open Blum. Now you'll be automatically signed up on Blum and you will see this page. On this page, click on the open button just after tribes. When you click on open, this is going to open this page. On this page, you can create a new tribe or join a tribe. So click on join tribe button. Now click on the search icon at the top right corner and search for a tribe if you know any. And if you don't, you will have to just choose any tribe from this list. So I'm going to select this tribe. So I'll click on it. Now I will click on the plus join button. When you click on join, you can see I successfully joined this tribe on my Blum. Now if you want to create a Blum tribe, you will have to simply navigate back to the dashboard and click on the open button just after tribes. Now select create new. Now in this section, you will have to type in what name you want for your tribe. So I'm going to type in Plumber OP. Now you'll have to click on the create button. After following all these steps, you'll be promoted to this page where it will verify your chat link. And verifying can take a long time. Also, sometimes you will not be able to clear the verification. And if you're not able to do that, you can simply click on the close button and this will close that page. But the verification will still continue. As you can see, it says verifying. So that's the simple way to create Blum Tribe and join Blum. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.